Shark SV1106 Navigator Freestyle Upright Cordless Vacuum is a lightweight, bagless, and portable cleaning solution built for everyday home use. Designed to handle carpets, hard floors, and pet hair with ease, it offers cordless freedom without compromising on performance. Lightweight cordless convenience. Weighing only 7.5 ohms, this vacuum is easy to carry and maneuver around the house. Powered by a 10.8V battery with 125 watts of power, it delivers reliable suction while keeping noise levels at around 80 dB, making cleaning more comfortable and less disruptive. 2-speed brush roll for multi-surface cleaning. The 2-speed brush roll is optimized for both carpets and hard floors. You can switch modes to get deep carpet cleaning or gentle bare floor pickup, ensuring effective dirt and pet hair removal throughout your home. XL dust cup capacity. With an extra large 0.64 quart dust cup, you can clean for longer without frequent emptying. The bagless easy to empty design adds convenience and keeps maintenance simple. Precision charging system. The precision charger doubles as a storage block, keeping the vacuum neatly stored when not in use. It fully charges in about 4 hours, so it's always ready for your next cleaning session. Overall, the Shark SV1106 Navigator Freestyle is a practical cordless vacuum for homes that need quick, efficient cleaning, especially those with pets. Backed by the trusted quality of Shark, it's a solid choice for lightweight, hassle-free floor care.